What is the cloud? Where is the cloud? Are we in the cloud now? These are all questions you've probably heard or even asked yourself. The term cloud computing is everywhere. In the simplest terms, cloud computing means storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of your computer's hard drive. The cloud is just a metaphor for the internet. It goes back to the days of flowcharts and presentations that would represent the gigantic server farm infrastructure of the internet as nothing but a puffy, white, cumulus cloud, accepting connections and doling out information as it floats.
Ever wondered what the hype is around cloud computing? Or what cloud computing even means? Don't worry, you're not the only one. What you may not realize is that you probably already use cloud computing in your everyday life. From social media to multiplayer online games, many of these are cloud-based applications. They direct the data you send to a cloud server that stores it. In addition to your day-to-day use of the cloud, businesses use cloud-based services to handle large amounts of data. Why? Cloud computing allows for flexibility with on-demand applications, storage, and other IT resources through a cloud-based platform via the internet, with pay-as-you-go pricing. For businesses, selecting the right type of cloud computing can help strike a balance of control and avoiding unnecessary costs. Cloud computing also allows businesses to run essential programs and applications through the internet, saving them time, money, and space. AWS offers the flexibility to build your application your way, regardless of your use case or industry. You can save time, money, and let AWS manage your infrastructure without compromising scalability, security, or dependability.
The cloud is also not about having a dedicated network-attached storage, NAS, hardware or server in residence. Storing data on a home or office network does not count as utilizing the cloud. However, some NAS will let you remotely access things over the internet, and there's at least one brand from Western Digital named MyCloud just to keep things consumer versus business. Let's be clear here. We're talking about cloud computing as it impacts individual consumers, those of us who sit back at home or in small to medium offices and use the internet on a regular basis. There is an entirely different cloud. When it comes to business, some businesses choose to implement software as a service, SaaS, where the business subscribes to an application it accesses over the internet. Think Salesforce.com. There's also platform as a service, PaaS, where a business can create its own custom applications for use by all in the company. And don't forget the mighty infrastructure as a service, IaaS, where players like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Rackspace provide a backbone that can be rented out by other companies. For example, Netflix provides services to you because it's a customer of the cloud services at Amazon. Of course, cloud computing is big business. The market generated $100 billion